back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm trying to do a DIY speaker with cardboard and two bookmarks, one with fabric and one with scrap cardboard and satin ribbon. So as you can see, I've taken this cardboard. I actually made another project with it. I'll link it in the description box. And I was inspired to do this DIY speaker from another video from Creative Ideas. I'll link that video in the description box. They actually made this DIY speaker with wood pieces, and since I didn't have wood pieces, I'm trying to recreate it with this cardboard pieces. And all you have to do is make a base. You make something like a box, and you give a space wherein you can put your phone inside, and you cut out the speaker portion. Here you can see me placing the cardboard as a border. At this time I would like to let you guys know that this is my entry for the Using Trash to Create Treasure challenge, hosted by Cassie from Coffee with My Sunshine and co-hosted by Jessica from Measure and Mix. Be sure to check their channels and the playlist in the description box below. That is the gap for the phone to go in, and this is the slot where the speaker will be there. And those two holes on the top are from where the sounds will come. Since it didn't look nice, I wrapped it up with the wrapping paper. And your speaker is done. It acts as a holder and a speaker for your phone.
From my first two videos here on YouTube. I'll leave the links down below for those videos if you missed them, but it just doesn't fit my craft room needs anymore, and I want to turn this area into something different for my family. You also might remember the concrete floors that I stenciled down here, and
Moving on to my next project, I wanted to do a bookmark for my Bible, and I like this fabric. It's from a curtain, and I have used it in other projects as well. I took the small strip and measured it out with the length of my Bible. And I cut it to size. And since it was plain fabric and I wanted to make it a little extra strong, I used that scrap piece of cardboard and inserted it into the hem of the cloth. You can easily make a hem using glue gun, or you can stitch it up. Since the hem was already there, I'm using it. And I wanted to give a scalloped edge to the bookmark, and therefore I took the cloth, folded it, there you can see me folding it, and I tried to cut out a scalloped edge, but I couldn't cut it out properly, so you see another design. But I actually like this design now. Let me know what you think about it. For the last bookmark, I actually like that butterfly design on the card, and I took a piece of ribbon to hide the wordings behind the card. It's actually a green tea box, Twinings green tea box. I hot glued the ribbon to the back, and I wanted to make a tassel, and so I took some white yarn or wool, wrapped it around my fingers and made a very simple tassel, and I attached it to the top. Here you can see me making a hole for the tassel to go through. I was debating whether to have the tassel from the middle or from the side. Let me know which you would like, which you would prefer. Ready. Push it through the hole, knot it on itself, and bring the tassel through the loop. Sorry for not explaining it properly. Short haircut, and you're done, and your bookmarks are ready. Since my Bible is small, the normal bookmarks are quite big for it, so these were custom made and they are one of a kind, so I like it. Thank you Cassie and Jessica for this wonderful challenge. Be sure to check their channels and the playlist below for all the other lovely entries. Let me know in the comments down below which one you think was good. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye, smile, Jesus loves you, stay home and stay safe people.